Hello everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today we're in a building suffering from pigeon issues, so let's have a look around. Now we're in a downtown setting, and as you can see we have an empty building that's getting remodeled, and there we got a pigeon. And there we got another pigeon. There goes one. Now if we look at the steel I-beams, a lot of that white stuff is from pigeon droppings. You got pigeon poo on the ground. Let's go look and see where they're coming in, because this one's pretty obvious. Now this is a sketchy area, so we're not going to. Right there, just went out. And that is wide open. So there's our problem. During the remodel, someone left the scuttle open and the pigeons are just dropping in and out through there. Simple fix for how to safely repair this when the floor here is not so good because the rain is damaging the wood. We'll leave this one up to a contractor to close that hole, because I'm not putting anything on here, let alone myself. So here's a top tip for everyone. When you're doing some remodeling, always think about keeping things closed up. Otherwise, your bird brain friends may get in.